Welcome to ComplyRelax. In this video, I am going to explain the complete DSC process available through the ComplyRelax dashboard. Using this facility, professionals can easily apply DSCs for clients, manage billing and delivery preferences, track application status, handle token requests, maintain DSC expiry records, and also manage commission earnings, all from a single dashboard. The complete DSC processing is handled in a more organized, systematic, and hassle-free manner, helping professionals save valuable time in day-to-day DSC management. So let's begin with the complete step-by-step process. First, log into your dashboard and click on the Apply DSC option. Before applying for any DSC, it is important to complete your profile setup. In the Profile section, you can configure your default DSC processing preferences for smoother and faster application handling. Billing preference details. Legal business name. If you provide DSC services under your own firm or brand name, you can also configure those business details here. Bank account details. Commission invoice preferences. You can further set default DSC preferences as well. You can also select your preferred support plan. Different support plans may provide different commission sharing structures for CR partners. Additionally, you can configure operational preferences such as whether the DSC should be downloaded directly at your premises or delivered through courier by ComplyRelax, or whether invoices should be generated in your firm's name or the client's name. This flexibility helps professionals manage billing according to their own business requirements. Once all details are updated, click on the Save button. These saved preferences will automatically appear during future DSC applications, making the process faster and more convenient. Please note, all invoicing preferences, commission payouts, delivery settings, and DSC processing configurations will be managed based on these settings. However, they can be updated anytime whenever required. Now let's move to the DSC application process. Click on the Apply DSC button. Here, you need to select the applicant details. For example, if you are applying for a director's DSC, simply select the director's name and the system will fetch the details if updated in your director master. If the applicant does not exist in your records, you may directly enter the relevant details here. Based on your saved profile settings, certain information such as DSC type, delivery preference, invoice preference, payment mode will be auto-filled. These details can still be modified manually if required. If you choose Ship Token via courier as the delivery mode, courier charges will automatically be added and delivery address details will be required before proceeding further. Once all details are filled in, you need to complete the payment process to proceed with the DSC application. Based on your selection, the final payable amount will be displayed at the bottom. The CR commission is the commission amount earned by you for the DSC application, which will be automatically credited to your account balance after successful issuance of the DSC. You can claim the same and withdraw. Payment can be made through multiple methods. Using your CR account balance, you may add funds by clicking on the Add Fund button, or Generate Link. If you choose Generate Link option, you may either send the link to client directly or choose to make the payment by yourself. The link remains valid for 24 hours, so you may make the payment accordingly. Once payment is successfully completed, you will see your request in the Application section here. You can track the live application status here. Once the DSC is successfully processed and issued, the application status will automatically be updated in the Application tab. From here, you can easily claim your commission using the Claim button. After the claim process is completed successfully, your commission request gets approved. Earnings are automatically credited to your account wallet. You can later withdraw the earnings to your bank account or use the available balance for future DSC applications. And if you want to purchase DSC tokens separately, simply go to the DSC Token tab. Here, you can view available token options, check pricing details, purchase tokens directly as per your requirement. Further, within the account section, you can view top-up requests, account ledger, withdrawal requests, payment history. You can add funds to your account through two payment options, cash-free or UPI. If you add funds through cash-free, the amount will be reflected instantly in your account balance after successful payment. In case of UPI payment, you first need to complete the payment using the provided UPI details. After making the payment, enter the paid amount along with the last 4 digits of the UTR number and submit the request. The ComplyRelax team will verify the payment request and approve or reject it accordingly. Once approved, the balance will be updated in your account. You can also raise a withdrawal request directly from here. Simply enter the withdrawal amount and select your preferred payment mode, whether you want the amount transferred to your bank account or UPI ID. Once the request is submitted, the ComplyRelax team will review and process the request, and the amount will be transferred accordingly. This was the complete digital signature process through the ComplyRelax User Dashboard. Using this facility, professionals can manage DSC processing, billing, tracking, delivery, and commission management from a single platform in a more efficient and systematic manner. Thank you for watching.